that runs through it. You can maybe perceive the boy as something of a Christ figure. Can you talk about how you, if you perceive that way, how you maybe try to manifest that in the film?
Sure. Well, Cody will walk across the wall. Sorry, the great thing about the book I thought was that he never made it too heavy-handed. If you were that way inclined, you can read those things in. It was, the book deliberately is an allegory that you can read things into, hence the characters were all the man, the boy, and there was, it felt almost like an ancient parable in that way. But it's meant to be one of those things. I personally was trying to focus on the humanity and the here and now. But, I hope people can, it's open for interpretation. But we didn't want to be explicit, and I don't think the book pushes that too far.
We have time for one more question.